Guys and girls, today I'm gonna show you my Monster High doll, Rochelle Goyle. Okay, let's start. This is her. She has a pink hair with some blue mixed with the green stripes. You see, and there. Her ears are like sea monster, and they are gray, and it has earrings. They are black for the least sign. This short one. This is some bigger one. Her makeup is pink eyeshadow, mascara, and eyeliner. Her eyes are pink, and her lips are dark pink. See? I'm sorry. She also has this necklace. It's also for the least sign. You see? Her shirt is like white with a black print in the stripes. Her skirt is black with some pictures on it and stripes. You see? There is for the left side. You see? It's black for the left side. And she has extremely cool hands. You see? She has cool hands. Her socks are pink like mesh. And they are long. It's like a mesh under the skirt. So yeah. And her shoes are gray. You see? And they're high heels, and they have some stripes on it, and you can see a toes and for the least sign here. So yeah. So that was my doll, Rochelle Goyle. That's her. On this side. And she's come with a black doll stand. You see? And her here. Okay. So that was her. And now I'm gonna show you her stuff, what she's got. First, we have a brush. The brush is dark. I'm sorry, black. And there is a logo, Skullet from Monster High. And there is a boat. And there are big eyes and a nose. Little nose. There says Monster High. She comes with the purse. Purse is gray. And has some stripes or something. You see? And there is a logo from for the list sign is pink, and there are like some circles, and there you see there and on circle like this. You can also open it. Wait for a second. You see, it's open now. So, oops, sorry. And that was a purse for Monster High. She comes with her pet Rogues. It's a girl, and it's also gray. It's like a stone, like Rochelle Goyle. It has the purple eyes, a nose like a bird, ears, wings, tail, and legs like a bird. Legs. So that. She also comes with her diary. The diary is black with some white circles or something. There is a pink spider web, and there it says this diary is from Rochelle Goyle, and there is most it's like a coffin, and there it says new. Okay, something. And when you open, it says everything about her. Everything. So yeah. And that's it. You see? This one is like, but I gonna. The pet rocks, the purse, brush, flowers, diary, and her. So that was that from the Rochelle Goyle doll. And before we go, I want to show you something. You see Draculaura? I'm writing. I'm dead. There's Draculaura, her umbrella, her pet, and there's a Draculaura. Yes, I made it. And yes, before we go, I want to give some shout outs. First shout out I want to give to Gracie and Mommy show. Then Wookie Warrior 23 and Claudina 9. Okay, I hope you like my video, and please look at my other videos, and please comment and like. Bye.